Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is from Cumulative Test 19B. I just need to do 19 and 20. This is part 2. So for 19, I need to combine like terms. Like terms are the terms that have the same variables. So 3x and then the negative x. We always take the sign with it. So let me bring both of these over here so we can put them together. So I have 3x minus x equals, remember there is an invisible 1 here. 3 minus 1 is 2x. When we're adding or subtracting, this remains the same. It doesn't change. When we multiply, like y1 times y1, we're going to get y2. But when we add y plus y, we get 2y. See how this is all the same? Okay. Let me change colors so I can do the y's. So I have negative y minus y. And if I have 1 in front of them both, I'm going to get negative 2y. So I got to put this and this together. So I have 2x minus 2y, and that's the answer. Let me erase a little bit, and we'll do 20. Okay, let me see if I can't change the color here. Okay, so 20, I'm going to rewrite this up here. 7 minus 10 plus 6 minus 12 plus 4 times negative 3 all over 3. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to have to do per PEMDAS, I don't really have any parentheses or exponents, but I do have multiplication, so I need to do this first. So I'm going to write all of this down and multiply that. So I have 7 minus 10 plus 6 minus 12 plus 4 times negative 3. It's a positive times a negative, so that's negative 12. All of this is over 3. Okay, now that it's addition and subtraction, I can go from left to right. So 7 minus 10 is negative 3, plus 6 is, okay, I'm going to run out of room. Let me erase just a little bit here. And I will go back to there. So negative 3 plus 6 is a positive 3 minus 12 is a negative 8. Negative 9. My bad. Negative 9. Where'd my thing go? So this is negative 9 plus a negative 12 is going to be equal to, oh, this is not right. No, that's right. It's negative 21. That's negative 21. So then I have negative 21 over positive 3, which is going to be negative 7. Let me know if you have any questions.